Hey guys, this is a quick review on the molds that I purchased online on Shein. This is the Moon silicone mold. I paid $1.70 after the discounts and coupon codes. I did put a little bit of gold flakes in there. I do like the way this mold turned out. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but just thought it was a cute mold to purchase for the price. The second mold you see is the yarn mold. I purchased that one for $5.10. I purchased it because someone wanted one. It is a rather small mold for the $5.10, but I had no, I did not plan on making one myself, so I figured I might as well purchase one, see how it works out. But it is pretty detailed, as you can see. It does come with this wicks. I have not tested these wicks. I've been out of town for a few weeks, so I constructed these a couple of weeks ago, and I'll see how they burn sometime this week. This is the bubble candle. I do have two separate molds that I purchased. The first one is $7.65, and the second one is $2.55. I do not notice much of a difference other than the thickness, and maybe the size is a little bit smaller. But for $2.55, I think I'll be purchasing more of those. I did not notice a huge difference. Each of them came with candle wicks, and I think this one, the second one, is the one that was $2.55. So you will see that it is a little bit smaller, but I mean, not much smaller for the price difference. And I did purchase a big one, but I'm not ready to. It had like 6 molds in one. I'm not ready to make that many just yet. I wanted to see how they turned out. And actually, they turned out pretty good. The wax that I'm using was what I had on hand, the 6006 IG, I believe. It's a new wax for me. I've never used it before, but I believe it's 70% paraffin and 30% soy. So it was a little bit harder. So I wanted to see how it worked out. I am going to put a couple of gold flakes on this. This is my first time using gold flakes, so it was a mess. Bear with my mess. I will, if you can see on the bottom, the popsicle stick was caught under that bubble candle. I'll probably pour less the next time, because I don't know that I want to go through the process of roping the yarn the way that they did through there. It'll give you an instructional when you purchase it. I didn't want to do all of that. I looked at a few YouTube videos, and the skewer method is easy for me, so I'm just going to go with that. Anyway, so that's me putting gold flakes on. I had absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Again, this is not me showing you how to construct this candle. It's just me giving you a review of the molds that I purchased and if I thought they were worth the price. And personally, I think they were worth the price for how the product turned out. I will continue to work with them and update you guys as I go. I have a few pictures of how the products turned out, but thank you guys for watching.